The school invites from our friends at Philippine Red Cross. They are looking for volunteers. Okay? First aid and BLS instructors. Must be a senior high school graduate or second year college. Male or female, with or without experience. Good verbal and written communication skills. Alright? Para mas madali, ang daming instruction, like yung email address, etc. Ganito na lang, punta na lang kayo sa Philippine Red Cross Olongapo Chapter. Lapit lang naman yung madaling puntahan na dadaanan ng Yellow Jeep. Along Magsaysay Drive yan yung kanilang office, no? Okay? Kaharap ng, ano ba yung tawag dun sa commercial complex dun, no? Sa harap nun. It used to be, may ano dun, no? May Domino's Pizza, am I right? Ayan. Philippine Red Cross Olongapo Chapter needs volunteers. So join. And the SBMA Blood Donation Program will be happening November 21, 2025. This is in partnership, of course, with the Philippine Red Cross as SBMA marks its 33rd anniversary by strengthening community partnerships and saving lives through mobile blood donation. November 21, 2025, second floor lobby near the Shoe Salon at Ayala Malls Harbor Point. 12 noon to 8 p.m. hanggang 8 p.m. ha? O wala kang lusot na hindi pwede mag-donate. Sadly, nalulungkot ako, December pa ako magdo-donate. Hindi pa pwede ngayong November no? Every 3 months po, pwede tayo mag-donate. So, give the gift of life, save lives, donate blood. Kailangan natin yan, no? Kailangan nating gawin para sa mga kapwa natin na nangangailangan, di ba? And lastly, from Red Cross pa rin, donate 150 pesos kasi pwede ka mag-cash donation no? sa Red Cross. They need alam niyo naman ng Red Cross. Hindi ko bikita yan, hindi yan It's a non-profit organization. Ang aim lang nito makatulong sa mga kaibigan nating, mga kababayan nating nangangailangan ng dugo, no? Okay? Meron silang ongoing fundraiser. Donate 150 pesos only and get 1 raffle ticket for a chance to win a brand new Honda Giorno. Okay? Plus 10 PRC Safeguard members consolation prize. 10 'yon, no? Donate, support, and win a free ride. How can you donate? Punta lang kayo sa Philippine Red Cross office, Olongapo City Chapter. Again, nasa along Magsaysay Drive, ha? Okay, malapit sa Police Station B ito, no? Malapit doon. Yes, okay? Harap ng, yung may Domino's Pizza. Ano na nga ba yung tawag sa commercial complex na yon? City Square, there you go, City Square. Harap noon, yun, okay? Motorcycle raffle, gear up for a ride, gear up for saving lives. Donate, support, and win a free ride at Philippine Red Cross Olongapo Chapter. Alright. Ganda to, no? Yung Honda Giorno. It kinda looks like, alam mo yun, one of those classic scooters na modern na classic ang datingan. Ang ganda. Yes. Aha, okay. So those are the invites for you guys. Yan sa lahat na nakikinig. And again, I'd like to thank you guys, yung mga umattend sa sa naging stand-up comedy show namin along with poetry and rap, hip-hop music at Source Coffee. Kita-kits po tayo sa uulitin ha. Wala pa akong alam na nakaschedule kung kailan. Pero sa susunod na magiging stand-up comedy show namin, I'll announce it soon enough. As soon as we have it, di ba? Para po malaman ninyong lahat. Okay? So, yeah, you're all invited. Doon po kayo. And also, there's gonna be a lot of events for the SBMA Ecology Center. Kanina ginanap yung recyclable fashion show. Ano pa ba? Marami pa no? Maraming side event ito Dalawa ang celebration, big celebration ng SBMA, the RCE, Recyclables Collection Event, week-long celebration, pati na rin ang anniversary celebration ng SBMA, 33rd anniversary. Marami ring magaganap. May mini Olympics, merong Senior Citizens Day, especially para sa mga senior citizens na employees of SBMA, no? Marami pang iba, okay? So all of you guys are invited to be part of it, okay? Kahit hindi kayo SBMA employee, makisaya, makinood kayo ng mga shows, ng mga kaganapan, and everything, okay? Happy 33rd anniversary, the SBMA. All right. So, shoutouts muna tayo sa mga tropa nating nakikinig. Mga buddy, kamusta na kayo dyan? Ayos ba tayo dyan? Shoutout kay Ate Agnes. Agnes Hipolito Tulio. Ayan, thank you for tuning in. Ayan, maraming salamat. Pati na rin kay Ate Marites Miranda. Ayan, Riam Lianyo, Rene Bolivar Ramos, Jesus Kamakam, Si Edmond Arce, Kuya Edmond Arce, si Ate Sheila. Si Ate Sheila tsaka si Ate Jubay. Ayan, mga CEO yan, kasama kong CEO. CEO of SBMA Telecoms. Communications Equipment Operator. Yan. Shout out din kay Ate Girly Ilacion Tarin. Uy, congratulations ha. You're a new granny. Brand new granny. Alright. And I'm gonna end the show a little early because I have a couple of assignments. May mga assignment ako na gagawin eh. Pasensya na ha. But do catch me again tomorrow. Na-deliver ko naman na the latest news and invites for you guys. Catch me again tomorrow for the Thursday edition of this radio show. Nako, last episode na for this week ulit. Ang bilis ng araw, no? I feel like kaumpisa lang ng week natin. Huling episode na pala bukas. Thursday, November 20, 2025. So, yeah. Do join us again tomorrow for the Thursday edition of Bandera Night Jams with yours truly, DJ Tommy G, only here on Radyo Bandera, News FM 107.1, all longa po. And, I would like to congratulate, by the way, Radyo Bandera din, ha, for an upgrade in the transmitter. Yan. Malayo-layo na po yung nararating natin. Umaabot na kami ng Mars. For those who don't know, yeah, naririnig na kami sa Mars. Hindi ko lang alam sa ano ba yung next sa Mars? Jupiter? Hindi ko lang alam doon. Umaabot doon. Okay. Once again, thank you for joining me. Maraming salamat. And gonna be playing my final song for you guys. This is from PM Dawn. This one's from 1991, Sarah Drift on Memory Bliss. With this song for now, Tommy G saying peace. I'm out of here. Bye for now. Good night.